Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to connect your forms with OneDrive and Dropbox integration. So first of all, I've created a form named student registration form, and now I want to connect this form responses to my OneDrive and Dropbox. So to do that, I'm clicking onto the responses option here, and under responses I'm selecting integrations, and under integrations I have all the available integrations. So now I would like to connect my responses to the Dropbox and OneDrive integration. So to start with Dropbox, I'm selecting Dropbox, and since I'm yet to connect my Dropbox account with Bolo Forms, I am clicking on connect to Dropbox, and now it will redirect me to register inside Dropbox. So I'll do all the required procedures to register here. So I have connected my account with Dropbox now. Now we'll go and check this out. I'm clicking on edit form and clicking responses again and clicking on Dropbox. So now I am able to see that it's been connected with my account, and I'm seeing this option to select folder. So now when I click on to the select folder option, I am able to see this folder called BoloForms that I had created in my Dropbox workspace. So I'm selecting this folder and I'm selecting choose. So now this particular folder is connected to the BoloSign dashboard, and all the responses that I am receiving through this form will be automatically saved in this particular folder. So now that we have connected with Dropbox, now we'll also see how to connect with OneDrive. So I'm clicking back and I'm selecting OneDrive. So here I've already connected my BoloForms account with OneDrive account. So it's directly asking me to select folder. So I'm clicking on select folder, clicking on the drive. And here also I have created one folder called BoloForms in my OneDrive workspace. So I'm selecting this BoloForms folder and selecting that. So this particular folder has also been added to my BoloForms dashboard, and here also whenever I receive any responses through this particular form, all the responses will be directly saved in OneDrive workspace as well. So now we'll test if this is working, getting the link of this form, and I'll try to fill the response myself. I'm clicking submit. So now this response is submitted. Now we'll go and check in our OneDrive dashboard and in our Dropbox dashboard. Like now we are checking now OneDrive dashboard, and here you're able to see that the response we just filled has been automatically saved here in the OneDrive workspace as well. In the Dropbox dashboard also, we are able to see the response that we just filled, and it's automatically saved in Dropbox dashboard as well. So this feature is mainly useful when you want to organize all your responses under several platforms, and you don't want to do it manually but automatically you want it to be segregated. You can use both the OneDrive and Dropbox integrations to save and store all your responses in an organized manner. So likewise, you can follow these steps to integrate your forms with OneDrive and Dropbox workspace. Thank you.